What's going on, everyone? Back here one more time. Steve Richards. Of course it is. What do you think we're talking about? Not the triangle Earth, the flat Earth. Well, actually, we're going to talk about your little spherical model today. So, how do you know we're on a spinning ball? Do you know because of the picture? Do you know that because that's what your teacher says? Do you know because you've seen the ISS footage? Do you know because your grandma heard the moon landings on the radio, or because she saw it on the black and white television screen? Or do you know because you know? Because everyone knows it, right? Actually, you personally don't know. You just think you know. Have you ever been up to space and seen the Earth? Most likely not. The only reason you think you know is because someone has told you or shown you one of the 5 out of 10 pictures of the Earth from space. And by the way, those pictures are just pictures. They're not photographs. They're pictures, or pictures of paintings. The same group of people that tell you that you live on a spinning ball are the same ones who said smoking cigarettes are good for you. Science cannot be trusted. They've been wrong about too many things to let us put the faith of what we live on into their hands. These people say the Earth is an oblate, spheroid. But every picture shows the Earth as a circle, a perfect circle, with an edge, with no stars in the background. Think about that one. They also say they discovered an Earth-like planet billions of light years away. And yet, they haven't discovered more than 80% of Earth's oceans. Why try to discover the sky when you have no idea what 50 to 60% of the Earth looks like in reference to the vast oceans and depths yet to be discovered? Now let's go back to the pictures real quick. What I got here is a picture, well, it's 4 pictures of the Earth from 4 separate space organizations. You got NASA, top left. You got your European station, top right, bottom right. You got the Japanese, bottom left. You got the Russian. If you look at all these, they don't seem to add up. It's interesting. To me, it seems like the American, Russian, European, and Japanese space programs can't agree with what color the land is on the Earth. If you look at the Russian and the Japanese picture, you can see that India, Australia, and the islands in between are completely different colors. Russia depicts them as dry desert, brown shaded islands in the land masses as well. Then there's Japan, who shows them as lusciously green filled forest islands with shades of brown only in Australia. Strangely, both these pictures are southern hemisphere dominant. Neither shows Antarctica. Did someone forget to edit that one in? Then there's the European space picture of Africa. Why doesn't it show Europe? Wouldn't you be upset as a European citizen that, well, someone who lives in Europe, that if your space organization goes up there and takes a picture, they should take a picture of where you live, not Africa. No offense, Africa. Speaking of Africa, Europe, Russia, and the American space programs have 3 different versions of Africa. If we all live on a globe, the same globe that matter, how can 3 different space programs show us 3 different pictures of the Earth and show us 3 completely different images? If these were real photos, you should be able to lay each version of the picture, like showing Africa, on top of each other And they should all line up edge for edge and be the same color. But we have 3 different shapes and color schemes here. As a citizen, how can you accept these? As a citizen of anywhere, how can you accept these as photographs of where you live? This is what your tax money pays for. A bunch of lies. They can't even agree on the lie. They can't even agree on the color of the land. But you guys are going to trust them, right? I can't do that. That's going to be it today. Once again, email is scuba2114@gmail.com. If any questions or concerns, comments, want to talk to me that way. Or Facebook me, Steve Richards. I'm in there. I'm in a bunch of little groups. It's awesome. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.